My name is Tapio Varis. I am UNESCO Chair in Global E-Learning at University of Tampere in Finland, and also a board member of the UNESCO Institute for Information Technologies in Education in Moscow, and Principal Research Associate of UNESCO Univoc in Bonn. We have been contributing to the World Summit of Information Society earlier by the project of Global University System, which is described in detail in our website, and it gives much information about activities so far. Since then, we have been concentrating on development of digital literacies and media literacies, and for that purpose we also produced a study with Professor Jose Manuel Perez Tornero on media literacy and new humanism, which describes in detail our efforts to promote media literacy worldwide in the spirit of new humanism. This study concludes our main agenda for activities in this field in 7 dimensions. First of all, we think that it is necessary to fight the digital and cognitive divide, but we also believe that it is not only a question of access, it is above all a question of cognitive competences. For that reason, we need the literacies. This requires international cooperation and participation. Identities and cultural diversities have to be recognized. And this is a challenge for education. We call it need for global education, which requires international bridges. This means that if education is seen only as a thing that young people, children and communities are passive receivers of education, it leads to alienation and also to the situation where young people see that education is irrelevant. This is a dangerous development that we face already. And we think that education must therefore be open and develop into a global interaction where global media literacy is needed. It also requires revitalizing the global public sphere, media-centered public sphere, where private and public interests can be defined. Furthermore, the integrating communication values are needed so that the freedom and rights are in balance. Cultural, linguistic, geographical alternatives have to be emphasized, and there should be no vertical flows. This all is to lead to a creation of culture of peace and peaceful understanding, which is the ultimate goal of peace or media literacy. This is what we see that the summit should be working for, and we welcome discussion and dialogue on this topic. Thank you very much.